What if your snake plant could suddenly start producing new shoots, instead of sitting in the same pot for months? If your plant has healthy leaves, but never seems to multiply, don't give up yet. Snake plants are naturally slow growers, but with the right combination of light, watering, soil, and root space, you can encourage new pups to appear from the base. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps that can help your snake plant produce fresh shoots and become fuller over time. The best part? You don't need expensive fertilizers or complicated equipment. Stay until the end, because one small mistake can stop new shoots from developing. Let's turn that lonely snake plant into a beautiful, growing family. Number 1. Give it bright, indirect light. Light is one of the biggest factors controlling snake plant growth. Although snake plants can survive in low light conditions, they usually grow much more slowly and may produce fewer new shoots. Place your plant near a bright window where it receives plenty of natural light, but avoid intense afternoon sunlight directly hitting the leaves for hours. An east-facing or bright-filtered window can work especially well. If your room is naturally dark, a quality grow light can help provide the energy your plant needs. Remember, the goal is consistent light rather than suddenly moving the plant into harsh sunlight. When your snake plant receives enough usable light, photosynthesis improves, roots remain active, and the plant has more energy available for producing new pups from the soil. Number 2. Water only when the soil dries. One of the most important secrets to encouraging healthy snake plant pups is getting your watering routine right. Snake plants store water in their thick leaves and underground rhizomes, so they strongly dislike constantly wet soil. Before watering, check the soil several centimeters below the surface. If it still feels damp, wait. When the soil has dried substantially, water thoroughly until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. Then allow the plant to dry again. Constant moisture can weaken roots and create conditions that encourage root rot, which can stop new growth completely. Instead of watering on a strict calendar, let the condition of the soil tell you when your plant needs water. Proper watering helps maintain healthy roots, giving the plant a stronger foundation for producing new shoots. Number 3. Use fast-draining soil. Your snake plant needs soil that allows both moisture and air to reach its roots. Heavy garden soil can hold too much water around the root system, slowing growth and increasing the risk of root problems. A fast-draining houseplant or succulent-style mix is usually a better choice. You can improve drainage by combining quality potting mix with materials such as perlite or pumice. The exact mixture is less important than making sure water can move through the pot easily. Your container should also have drainage holes underneath. When the roots receive enough oxygen and are not sitting in stagnant moisture, they can remain healthier and more active. Healthy roots support healthy rhizomes, and those underground rhizomes are where new snake plant pups can develop. Number 4. Don't use an oversized pot. A huge pot might seem like a good way to give your snake plant more room to grow, but it can actually make things harder. Oversized containers hold more soil, and more soil often means moisture stays around the roots for longer after watering. Snake plants generally prefer being slightly root-bound rather than sitting in an enormous container. When repotting, choose a pot only a little larger than the current root system. Make sure it has good drainage and is stable enough to support the plant. Once the roots and rhizomes become established, new pups may eventually emerge around the edges of the plant. If your snake plant is already healthy and producing growth, avoid repotting unnecessarily. Sometimes, giving the plant stability and time is exactly what it needs. Number 5. Feed it during active growth. Snake plants do not need heavy fertilizing, but occasional feeding during active growth can provide useful nutrients. Choose a balanced, diluted houseplant fertilizer and follow the product's instructions carefully. Avoid the temptation to add extra fertilizer because more nutrients do not automatically mean more shoots. Excess fertilizer can damage roots and create additional problems. During periods when the plant is actively growing, a modest feeding routine can support leaf and root development. If your snake plant is struggling, has damaged roots, or is sitting in poor soil, focus on correcting those problems before adding fertilizer. Nutrition works best when the basic conditions are already right. Think of fertilizer as a supplement rather than a magic growth formula. Healthy light, proper watering, drainage, and roots should come first. Number 6. Check the roots and rhizomes. If your snake plant has stopped growing completely, inspect the root system when repotting becomes necessary. Healthy roots and firm rhizomes are important because new pups commonly develop from underground rhizomes. Look for firm, healthy structures rather than soft, mushy, or foul-smelling tissue. If you discover serious root problems, remove damaged material with clean tools and allow appropriate cuts to dry before replanting. Never aggressively disturb healthy roots just to search for pups. The goal is to protect the underground system and give it favorable conditions. As the plant establishes itself, new shoots can emerge from the rhizomes near the base. This process takes patience. A healthy snake plant may spend considerable time developing roots before you notice dramatic new growth above the soil. Number 7. Be patient and avoid constant changes. Perhaps the most overlooked secret is patience. Snake plants are not plants that necessarily produce new shoots overnight. After improving light, watering, soil, and nutrition, give the plant time to respond. Avoid moving it from room to room every few days, changing the watering schedule constantly, or repeatedly repotting it because you do not see immediate pups. Every major environmental change can add stress and interrupt its growth rhythm. Instead, create a stable environment and observe the plant over time. Look for subtle signs, such as fresh growth emerging near the soil surface, firmer leaves, or gradual expansion of the plant's base. Consistency is much more valuable than constantly trying new tricks. With the right conditions and enough time, your snake plant can naturally produce new shoots and become much fuller. Now you know the simple foundation for encouraging your snake plant to grow new shoots. Provide bright, indirect light. Let the soil dry between waterings. Use fast-draining soil. Avoid oversized pots. Feed lightly during active growth. Protect the roots and rhizomes. And most importantly, Be patient. Remember, there is no guaranteed instant trick that forces every snake plant to produce pups immediately. Healthy growth comes from creating the right environment and allowing the plant to follow its natural cycle. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Natural Life_SR7, and turn on notifications for more easy indoor plant growing tips. Which snake plant are you trying to make fuller? Tell me in the comments and share this video with another plant lover.